Language barriers will cause a lot of opportunities to be wasted, including possible sources of income. But we will end that today. How? Keep watching this video to know. Welcome back to Passive Income, where we turn dreams into streams of income. To be notified for future videos that talk about how to earn even on a passive setting, do not hesitate to hit the bell icon to subscribe to our channel. So, first, familiarize yourself with Google Translate. To do that, open your browser, click on the search bar, and type in Google Translate. You will be given a lot of options here, and you just have to click anywhere. As for me, I'd like to choose the first one, and if I do that, it will direct me on this page. We can see 4 buttons here. Now that you are quite acquainted with our main tool to use, head over to this website called cpagrip. When you're already on the website, all you need to do is create an account by signing up. Go to the register button, then this human verification will appear. This will only take a few seconds, and you will be directed here. A few simple details, including your name and email address, will need to be provided. Once these details have been entered, select Register. Now, at the bottom of the page, go to the payment center after logging in to choose your chosen payment option. Payeer with a prepaid MasterCard, Payeer with international bank transfers, offered solely in the United States, and PayPal are among the options that cpagrip provides. You must have made at least $50 in order to be eligible for payouts. This strategy has the ability to earn about $40 every 30 minutes. Therefore, it should be possible to achieve this challenge. Going back to the dashboard, you'll see a public conversation where individuals discuss their profits and success stories using the technique we'll be looking at today. Basically, what happens is that you get links to different deals that we will advertise. We will convert these offers into several languages in order to maximize our revenue. The foundation of this tactic is the reality that some nations pay out more than others. We shall focus on the nations with the most earning potential. When you find an offer that pays high, just click on that and copy its text. This is where Google Translate enters the picture. Some clients may not be able to understand the language used to present these deals. That's why we're translating it. I know you're worried about the audience scope. You might be asking how this will reach a wider range of customers. That's why we'll move on to the next website to use. Go to your browser again and type in trafficadbar.com. This website says here, "Customer warning. We will deliver up to 1,022 visitors to your websites every 3 days for free, and that's what we are looking for." However, before pasting our link here, we might want to make it shorter. Good thing that we have a lot of free link shorteners available online. But for this video, I will recommend Bitly. Just go to this website, paste the link that we saved in the Google Docs earlier, add a title, and let Bitly do the magic. After that, copy this shortened link here, and head back to the trafficadbar website and paste it there. Next, we'll select Add Website, which will result in an advertisement to be displayed to users. It's critical to choose the appropriate title. We'll insert it into the title section when it has been translated. Afterwards, we'll adjust the ad text in the same way. We'll choose the target country as the destination nation and note that the language spoken there is what our title and text are translated as. We won't be prescribing when viewers should view the advertisement. We'll answer a series of questions by clicking Next till we're finished after saving. Lastly, we'll track the advertisement's effectiveness to see whether it benefits us. The income generated will be evident after days of creating the link, and patience will be our virtue while waiting for it to grow. How did you find the side hustle that we introduced in this video? Leave your thoughts out in the comments section below. Thank you for watching until the very last part of this video. We hope to have helped you with this. We would love to have you again in the next upload, only here on Passive Income.